Juan buys peaches and grapefruit at the store. He writes the equations shown to model the relationship between the number of pounds of peaches, P, and the number of pounds of grapefruit, G, that he buys. So then we have our system of equations here. We have P plus G equals 2.5, and then we have 1.58P plus 1.09G equals 3.46. The question is, what is the total number of pounds of peaches and grapefruit that Juan buys? So if we go back up to our reading here, we know that the variable P represents the number of pounds of peaches, and that the variable G represents the number of pounds of grapefruit. So if we look at our first equation here in our system, where it says P plus G, that is saying the number of pounds of peaches, because that's what P represents, so the number of pounds of peaches plus the number of pounds of grapefruit is equal to 2.5, because P represents the pounds of peaches and G represents the pounds of grapefruit. So when we look at the question here, what is the total number of pounds of peaches and grapefruit that Juan buys? That first equation in our system of equation is telling us the answer. It says the number of pounds of peaches plus the number of pounds of grapefruit is equal to 2.5. So here the answer to the question is 2.5.